I am very curious to know that thing the Britain saw in Igbos that made them to tell the Hausas and the Yorubas to hold the power very strong. Do not let them to have it. What is that thing? Because all these years, actually, we are moving forward, rather backward. So, is it that they knew from what they have seen that if the Igbo should step in or take over, things will be nice? What you see overseas is what you're going to be seeing in Nigeria. Is it what they saw? Is it that they have seen that these people are creative and they want things to happen and they say, okay, don't? Is it that they saw something negative? I don't understand because I'm thinking, because all this why these people are still on it. We are not going anywhere. Rather, we are moving backward. So maybe the Hausas and the Yorubas, they were told something, something negative, and they just held it to their heart and say, okay, fine, this is what it is. That may not be true. So why not from the depth of your heart and say, okay, we have been trying, but it's not working out. Okay, Igbos, come and try. Let's see. Let's see what will happen and know if this thing they told us is true or not. Experiment for once and see if there is going to be a change, a positive one at that. So this is what I want to ask you today. Please, I beg of you, try and give an Igbo man a chance, because this country is for all of us. So it's not just for one or two people. Thank you so much.